In the early 19th century, a revolutionary invention sparked a new era, forever reshaping the world's communication landscape: the telegraph. The telegraph was the brainchild of Samuel Morse, a visionary American artist and inventor, who sought to create a device capable of sending messages faster than the speed of a horse. Morse's obsession with this idea began in 1832, when he was appointed the U.S. Minister to Russia. During his tenure, he witnessed the vast distances that separated communications and the need for a quicker means of sending news. Upon his return to America, Morse dedicated himself to bringing his dream to life. He collaborated with another inventor, Alfred Vail, in developing a system based on electrical impulses sent through wires. Their breakthrough came in 1844, when Morse sent the first telegraph message from Washington, D.C. to Baltimore: "What hath God wrought?" This simple sentence heralded the beginning of a new age. The telegraph's influence was profound. It allowed for the rapid communication of vital information, transforming businesses, governments, and personal lives. News traveled swiftly, bridging the gaps created by distance. However, the telegraph also had its share of challenges. It was expensive to install and maintain, and its code required extensive training to operate. Yet, these obstacles did little to slow the telegraph's global spread. By the end of the 19th century, the telegraph had established itself as a cornerstone of the information age, paving the way for future innovations such as the telephone, the Internet, and the digital world we know today. As we stand on the brink of a new technological era, let us remember the pioneers who first brought us the telegraph, the beginning of a revolution that would forever change the way we communicate.